Hi, this is GS from UOOE.org, University of Online Education. Today we are going to discuss about array methods. These array methods are used to manipulate arrays. In previous session, we discussed how to create arrays like single dimensional array and multiple dimensional array. But by using these array methods, we can manipulate the array. Suppose manipulation is nothing but we can modify original array by using these array methods. Array methods title. We have in PHP we have hundreds of array functions. By using these array functions we can manipulate array. Original array. We have today I'm going to say some important methods. There are some very important methods which are used to manipulate array. So today we are going to discuss about few of the array methods. Suppose I have an array called colors. So something like array of red, black, white, green, orange, yellow. Here I have an array called colors having number of color items like red, black, white, green, orange, yellow. Suppose if I print this an array means I am saving this as array PHP. If I run this, for clear idea, yeah, this is normal array containing some 0 to 5 items in an array. Now I am going to show you by using array methods how I am going to manipulate this array. Okay, suppose if I want to print this array in reverse order, suppose values here yellow is at the last, but I want to print this order in reverse. By using array method called reverse, array underscore reverse, I can print. First method is array underscore reverse. This array underscore reverse is used to print an array in reverse order. Suppose if I print like here itself array underscore reverse. If you see here, if I refresh this page, it will print in reverse order. Here yellow, orange, green, white, black. By using this array underscore reverse method, I manipulate this normal array in reverse order. This is one example of array method. And if you think of coming to the merge, array underscore merge is another method. This array underscore merge is used to combine two arrays into a single array. Suppose if I have another array called what the variable can be colors one. Suppose I have one another variable have colors one containing some other items like pink, blue already is there, pink, maroon, okay. Here I have two arrays. I mean colors is containing some red, black, white, green, orange, yellow, and second array colors one containing pink and maroon. Now I want to combine these two arrays into a single array. At this time we use array underscore merge. MERGE merge colors commas second one is colors one. Here I am placing two arrays, so if I print this means shit, it's closed. If I open Mozilla, if I print means you can see that here I am getting pink and maroon also in single array. Here if you see this is different array and this is different array. By using array underscore merge, here I combine two arrays into a single array. This is one method which is used to combine two arrays into a single array. And coming, we are discussing of third array is called count. Third method is count. Suppose I am getting a one array dynamically from database. At the time I don't know what is exactly size or count of an array. I mean I don't know exactly how many items are there in array. At that time I will use this count to get the number of items in an array. This is normal array. So I want to know exactly the count of an array means I will use this method called count. If you see here, it will print the count because I have here 6 items, red 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the count is 6. So in order to know the count of an array, we use the method called count. And coming to the another one, set in underscore array. Actually this in underscore array is very useful array in arrays, because if you see some sites means if you enter any values, I mean any illegal values, something like some different kind of values regarding to prawn or something, means it will block, because here itself it will search. I mean the suppose I just write one logic here. Suppose let's think that this red, black, white are the illegal names. I mean if any user are trying to enter such kind of illegal words to in my site, means I want to block that words in my from my site. At that time I use this in underscore array. Something like red $COLORS colors. Here This colors is the an array. I'm searching for red. If the word found means I want to block that, something like echo you are blocked. Else I want to perform any other action, something like valid search. So if you run this means it will show that you are blocked, because here itself red has I mean it in underscore array sets the values in this array, so red is found, so it says that you are blocked. I mean, by using this in underscore array, many size blocks illegal illegal names from the end user. Suppose if the match is not found, something like if it is like brown brown means, if you see here, valid search, because the brown is not found in this array. So by using this in underscore array, we can search the items from an array. By depending upon the search, we can perform this such kind of actions. This is about in underscore array. Another one is array underscore chunk. This array underscore chunk is used array so chunk. This array underscore chunk is used to split one array in different items. Suppose dollar COLOR colors comma 2 sorry array underscore chunk chunk is the method. COLOR colors is the variable array name, and 2 is the value I'm going to chunk the array. If you print this means unexpected. Yeah, I want to close this for clear idea. I'm adding pre-tag. If you see here, if you're not using this array underscore chunk and printing this array means, you can see colors in single array with single items. But if you use this chunk means array underscore chunk means, it will split the array into multiple items. I indicated as 2, so it will split the items from 2 index onwards. So if you see here, if you hide this, and if you see here means from 2 parts. I mean, if you see here, these are the 2 items. After the 2 items, it was this array was chunked into another item, 2 items. After the 2 items, it is chunked to other 2 items. By using this array underscore chunk, we can split one array into different chunks. And third one is, it is very important array method. I mean, most probably in interview purpose, it is very important, is array underscore pop. I mean, sometimes you may face questions like that. If I want to delete last item from an array means, you may get chance to ask something like, if I want to delete last item of an array, how can it possible means, it can possible by using array underscore pop. If you want to delete last item from an array is by using this array underscore pop, we can delete last item from an array. So if you print this means you can't able to view yellow. Yeah, I mean it's showing that deleted item yellow. I mean if you print this array normally, if you print this array means original array colors means with clear idea. By using array underscore pop, I have removed last item. So if you print this now, this original array means you can't able to view this last item yellow, because by using this array underscore pop, I removed the last element of an array. So there may chances to face this question like how to delete last item from an array. So the answer is by using array underscore pop, we can able to remove last item from an array. And another method is array underscore push. This array underscore suppose I am getting one array. Let us assume that I am getting this array from database itself. So if it is getting from database dynamically means I doesn't have right to edit this array. So, I mean I doesn't have right to add any extra items to this an array. At this case, by using array underscore push, we can able to add items to dynamic array. So I am removing this. So suppose this is colors is the dynamic array. Let us assume that it is coming from database itself. Now I want to add some extra items to an array. So at that time, by using array underscore push, suppose I want to add extra items like brown or gold color. So at that time, by using array underscore push, I am going to add these two items to these original colors. So if I print this means you can see where it is. Okay, if I print this now, if I print this original array means for clear picture, I just added two extra items to an array. So if I print this original array means here you can see that the brown and color has been added to this original array. I mean this is where to add extra elements to an array by using array underscore push. And we have another important and interview in it is also important in an interview, how to delete duplicate values from an array. So by using array underscore unique, by using this array underscore unique, you can able to delete duplicate values from an array. Suppose let us assume that let's remove that. I have an array here itself having one more duplicate value like red and green. So if normally if you print this means you can see that here red red, green. So at this time I does not allow an array with duplicate values at the time. By using print underscore here itself I have array underscore unique unique. Now if I print this means, if you see here means the duplicated values are removed. I mean, this is one of the important question regarding arrays. How to remove duplicate values from array means by using array underscore unique you can able to remove duplicate values in array. And another thing is random array underscore rand. This array underscore rand is used to display array keys in random wise. Suppose array, if I use this array underscore rand means it will randomly display the array keys. Suppose if you see here it is 7. If I refresh means it will change to 4, 2, like that. I mean, by using this array rand we can randomly display the array keys. I mean, these are some of the important array methods up to now we discussed. And there are number of array methods remaining like array sort, array case sort. Out of these are the important array methods in PHP. And this definitely these methods very useful when you developing any website. Definitely you have to use such kind of methods. I mean, to perform your requirement, definitely this what we discussed, this method will be useful. So these are the some important methods in array PHP arrays. So that's the end of this session about array methods. We can come with next session with new topic. Thank you.